Zoro was saved by guardians of all Voiceless. Zoro is a fortunate boy as he has Mr. Soma and his coworkers who adore him and look after him. When Mr. Soma noticed Zoro had an abscess on his ribs, he asked the guardians for help as he was truly concerned about him. We took Zoro to the shelter and drained his abscess, which had a lot of pus and blood clots in it. Currently he is on antibiotics, so we are keeping him with us. It is deep and will take some time to heal, but with the help of proper treatment, we know this sweet boy will be pain-free. We are truly thankful to the Soma and his friends for their love and compassion. And we thank all of you for your support, which allows us to give these precious souls a voice. Please contact Guardians of all Voiceless if you can.